The PITAKA Folio 3 immediately makes a premium first impression with its elegant matte black retail box featuring a clean design and clear iPad Pro 13-inch compatibility. Sliding open the drawer-style packaging reveals the Folio 3 neatly wrapped in a soft protective sleeve with the installation guide placed underneath in a perfectly organized layout. The moment you lift the case from its sleeve, its incredibly slim profile, lightweight construction, and flawless finish become immediately apparent, creating an unboxing experience that feels every bit as refined as the premium accessory itself. The Folio 3 immediately impresses with its exceptional craftsmanship and clean, minimalist design. Precisely finished edges, perfectly aligned folds, and strong integrated magnets reflect PITAKA's attention to detail, while the slim yet rigid construction preserves the iPad Pro's elegant profile without adding unnecessary bulk. Precision cutouts ensure unrestricted access to every port, speaker, and camera, resulting in a case that feels purpose-built for Apple's flagship tablet. Design has always been one of PITAKA's greatest strengths, and the Folio 3 continues that tradition beautifully. Its clean, minimalist aesthetic perfectly complements the iPad Pro, while the distinctive geometric folding pattern adds both visual elegance and the flexibility needed for its innovative multi-angle stand system. Slim, refined, and beautifully finished, it feels like a natural extension of Apple's own design philosophy. One of the Folio 3's standout features is its seamless support for both landscape and portrait orientations. Switching between the two is quick and effortless, while the sturdy magnetic design keeps the iPad stable in either position, making the case equally suitable for productivity, reading, note-taking, and entertainment. The PITAKA Folio 3 perfectly combines premium craftsmanship, intelligent engineering, and exceptional versatility. Its slim yet protective design, innovative six-angle folding system, seamless landscape and portrait support, and flawless compatibility with Apple Pencil Pro and Magic Keyboard make it one of the best folio cases currently available for the iPad Pro 13-inch M4 and M5. Elegant, practical, and beautifully engineered, it enhances the iPad experience without compromising its signature portability.